In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to restore deleted files from computer. First thing you need to do, or we are going to use, is Wondershare Recover It. Visit the Wondershare website and download Recover It for free. Wondershare has been using or helping people in recovering deleted files in a lot of things. After downloading, install Wondershare Recover It on your computer. Next, open the application and you will see all drives connected to your computer, including hard disk drives, external devices, and the recycle bin. Select the drive from which you want to recover files and click Start. The software will scan through the files on the selected drive. Once the scan is complete, it will display a list of found files. You can preview the found files and filter them by type or location. Select the files you want to recover and click Recover. Then choose the location for the recovered files to be saved and click Recover again. Once done, navigate to the chosen location and to ensure that the recovered files are successfully restored. Test the recovered files to ensure they are working correctly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.